In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically copy values from one Airtable field to another. This is a fantastic time saver for anyone working with Airtable, especially if you're managing large datasets and need automation to streamline your data processes. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, head over to Airtable by opening your browser and navigating to their website at airtable.com. Once you've reached the page, you'll see the option to sign in at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. Signing in is straightforward, just enter your account details and click on continue to proceed. Now that you're logged in, navigate back to the main Airtable interface by clicking on the Airtable logo at the top left of the screen. With that done, you'll arrive at your dashboard where you can see all your existing base tables. Click on the base table where you want to set up the automation to copy values between fields. Now look at the top of your screen where you'll find the Automations tab situated between Data and Interfaces. Clicking on this will take you to the Automation Setup area. Here, the first action is to set a trigger. To do this, click on Add Trigger and select the option When Record Updated. This means your automation will be activated every time a record in your chosen table is updated. Once you've set the trigger, go ahead and select the table you'll be working with. It's as simple as locating your desired table from the drop-down and clicking on it. Next, you'll need to choose a view. Click on Select a View and then choose Grid View. This is the most commonly used view in Airtable for working with data in tabular format. Now determine which field you want the values to be copied from by clicking on Select Desired Field. If you're unsure about which field type you're currently working with, it's a good idea to double check it here. You'll now move on to adding advanced logic or actions. Scroll down and click on Add Advanced Logic or Action. Then select Update Record, which will allow you to specify the update action, including which values should be copied to which field. At this point, you'll choose another table, the one where you'd like the data to be automatically copied. Choose the table and proceed by selecting the record ID to ensure accurate data mapping. You'll also want to input the base record URL to achieve precise updates. Following this, click on Action Details where you'll finalize choosing the field that you are copying data to. If you want to make sure things are set up correctly, use the Generate a Preview option to check that everything looks right. Finally, it's crucial to test your work. Go ahead and click on Run Tests. This will help confirm that your setup runs smoothly and efficiently before you rely on it for your ongoing work. Congratulations, you're now all set to have Airtable automatically copy values between fields, making your workflow easier and more efficient. Thanks for watching and happy automating.